to copy link on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy link of posts on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on the search icon beside home icon. And now, for example, I wanna copy link of this post. All I need to do is click on those 3 points, and under not interested there is copy link. Now, like you see, the link has copied, and you can now send the link or share the link with your friends, anything you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.